Hello, hi guys, good afternoon. So let's start a new topic. So today topic is how to React site upload on Azure static using a pitch plan on a static website. Middleware is GitHub. Like as a we are doing on a publish firstly project your GitHub and GitHub to Azure static website linking, and every time you pushing the new code on GitHub is automatically deploy on a static website. Let's start step by step. I will show also Azure how to create a static website plan and how to middleware or GitHub. Any new changes, then publishing them automatically redirecting on Azure static. Okay, firstly I am opening the Azure account. Okay, this is my Azure account. Here going to firstly type here the static web apps. Here is static web apps. Firstly create a new ad. Okay, here your resource name, like as of my resource name is this. You create another resource name, then your site name, like as your xyz site name. You select a region, like as a mostly I'm using putting the default is central US. Then signing your GitHub account, like as your GitHub account is private or public. Then also if signing GitHub account, then also branch is selected, and branch is selected, then your account is ready. Already I created the account, I will show you. Okay, going to static web apps, and this is my static website. Here is linking the account. This my yeah, deploy, I will show you. Okay, this is my GitHub account. Okay, this is my just just a second. Yeah, see, my GitHub account, my username, and this is my repo. Okay, delefro dash admin. This is my repo, and branch is master. Here is setting master branch. Okay, any changing in master branch automatically reflect on this account. Okay, and this is the folder static generated static URL. Here copy this URL and go to your you purchased, like as a you purchasing on GoDaddy, yeah, Pickbucket, anywhere you purchase domain, pass this URL, create a namespaces, and namespaces inside like as here is domain configuration, custom domain configuration, like as this is my first domain. Okay, here domain is this is my domain. The domain is here add. Firstly, this URL adding on GoDaddy account. Your namespace is adding, and a namespaces star this namespaces, at least 2 3 namespaces add, and your actual domain is adding here. Okay, then your site is properly working. Then I will show key how to this is Azure account. Then I will show your code side. Yeah, this is my course. Okay, firstly initialization GitHub, then GitHub firstly remotely account, and all the code is pushing to remotely your GitHub account. Then all the configuration in your GitHub, then automatically I go to this redirect for here code and go to action inside any your workspace any you creating any comment, then automatically Azure is simultaneously running. Okay, if any linting issue, if any your project is linting issue, then automatically your project is crashing, not a deploy on your Azure server. Okay, then also in public folder create a one file. File is router.js. Router.js here is routers, an array of routers slash stars, all the working, and server is index.html and status code 200. Like as a, this is my domain here is custom domain here we are adding, yeah, then I will copy domain and paste here, okay, then sometime you going to this URL, okay, my subdomain like as a login, then okay, this is my subdomain, then I firstly close the, you going, yeah, this is my subdomain. If again a reloading, then is not working, so needed for router.json file is always anytime you reloading page say not a redirecting issue 404 page not found, not a generating issue, so you need a router.js file, then you changes any file, okay, I will show you. Like as here you clone the project and github account is worker face is azure static website is json file is creating. If you're going to on off, then dynamically not a, if you doing here e off, then your code is not deployed on azure side, publishing not azure side, you always pushing the code on github but not deploy on Azure static website. You here is doing on, then you code firstly going to GitHub account. GitHub account is action is doing all the code is properly working or not working. If your code is not a code inside, not a ES linting issue, then going to Azure site. Firstly, I will show the here. Firstly, script inside. Okay, script inside. Firstly, checking the ESLint. Lastly, your project configuration. Firstly, ESLinting. Like as a checking the ESLinting, all the issue is fixing or not fixing. If you have if any your project ESLinting issue, then here action is automatically closer, not going to App Store. So I hope we will understand how to your project computer, how to get up to also the static website configuration, and also routing is very important. And then your site is always running. You changes in your site, then automatically going to here package.json mostly, sorry, tsconfig very important. Tsconfig, this is not here. Here only the extend file dot slash tsconfig dot path json, and also child file is creating tsconfig. Tsconfig is creating all the tsconfig directly, not applying tsconfig, okay. Tsconfig only extend, and here is all the path is going to on this side. Here I will show the my TS config. Okay. Here only this is file, not any parameter here adding, and TS config path.json. Here any TS validation is applied here, not directly to TS config. Then your project is properly working. See here check mark is true. Then your project is working on Azure side. If any query, any doubts, please ask me, ping me, mail me. I will definitely help you. So thank you guys. Bye bye guys. Take care and don't forget for share and subscribe. Bye.